Hey guys, and once again welcome back to my channel. This simple and short video is all about how you can download and install Sims 4 in your Windows PC at completely free of cost. So let's go ahead and proceed. To install Sims 4, head over to your browser and you need to open this website, which is of Steam itself. You can easily find Steam by opening a new tab and typing Steam download and hit the enter key. Open the very first link of the Steam. From here, first of all, you need to click on the option login. Scroll down and you will find the option of join Steam over here. Click on it. Now go ahead and create an email address and then click on the continue button to create a new email account with the Steam. Once you have created a new account, now click on the option install Steam. Again click on install Steam and save it into your system. Now once it is saved, go ahead and run it into your system, and this will go ahead and install Steam into your PC. Once it is installed, go ahead and launch it. Now here is the Steam for you. I have already created an account, so I'll go ahead and sign it. Now it is asking me to enter the code. Now I'll go ahead and enter the code over here that I have received onto my email ID. Now simply on the home page, even you can get the option of the Sims 4 now free to play, or else you can easily click on this store option, and here in the find menu you can easily type Sims 4 and hit the enter key. There you go. It is totally free of cost as of today. So simply click on it. Now scroll down and you will find the option of free to play. Click on the option play free. Now it required a 20 GB of space. Simply click on the next button to continue installing the Steam. Accept the terms and conditions, and as it is saying, preparing the Steam Sims 4 to install. Now it has started to download. You can easily click on this option, which is manage download, to find the status of your Steam. Now you can see the Sims 4 has started to download, and once it is downloaded, you can easily go ahead and play Sims 4 in your Windows PC. So this is all about it, friends. This is how you can play the Sims 4 in your Windows PC at completely free of cost as of today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.